I have overcome everything. For him who gives me power. Why did he manage everything? Because he was with Christ. There were battles that were approaching him. They came to Paul many times, but he could escape. He could ask names of how he managed to pass through that escape. The sea was there to hinder him. Nations were there to hinder him. But Paul managed to bypass. When he reached at the shore, he said, I have overcome the Christ who gives me power. Today I assure you, if you keep it with Christ, He's going to give you power to overcome that. You shall boast in Christ. Read for me that scripture. For the Bible says that Paul came to know God. He seek for God. He walked with God. When Paul met God, he went in the desert zone. So the things he did together with God. Why did he go in those deserts? He was seeking to make covenant with God. He wanted to unite with God. What hinders us, we cheat to God. We don't want to search for God. We don't want to unite with God. We don't want to trust ourselves with God. Keep your business with God. Keep your marriage with God. Make a covenant with God. Nothing shall stand before you. You shall overcome everything. For Christ to bring power.
Nyinziza byonna mwoyo ampa amaanyi. 14.
Nyinziza byonna I have overcome mwoyo ampa amaanyi. In him who gives me power. Ono Paulo atuse ekiranga yinyumiriza. Paul has reached a time naye tusomye obulamu bwa Paulo. But if we read the life of Paul, wamala Kristo musisinkana. After Christ meeting him, n'amukuba ekibunga kumuyiganya. He beat him down when he was Saul. By the time he was called Saul, Paulo n'akyusibwa n'amugamba olw'eno ekibanga Paulo. Saul was changed. Now he said today you'll be called Paul. Paulo tiyagenda mu bantu kunoonya Katonda. Paul did not go in people to seek for God. The Bible said he went in the Arab desert. Every step he did could come to pass. But he started it amidst the enemies. Where he came from, he was persecuted. Even the apostles he joined, he did not trust them. But everything could do with the everything he could do could prosper. When Paul used to preach the gospel in the Gentiles, and all the letters you read the Bible, it is Paul. Maybe you the pagan, you got saved because of Paul. Even the family had not served Paul. Now he says I've overcome everything for the Christ who gives me power. Because he understood him. Today I hear you need to keep with God your dream, your job, business, your business, what you need. There is a dream that is bring it and you keep it with God. Read for me Psalm 33. If you keep with God, if you speak with God to your job, something you want to do?
Is there
something you want to begin? No matter, it is the time you reason with God. For the reason God, maybe what your bro God tells you, for he has good plans for your life.
Ateeka ebigere byange mu nvuba alabirira amakubo gange gonna.
Zaburi 3:3
akunywera ennaku zonna n'ebirowoozo by'omutima gwe okutuuka emirembe gyonna.
Okuteesa kwa Mukama kunywerera ennaku zonna.
God's reasoning can get strengthened for all the time.